Brush the uppers with a moderately firm brush using brisk side-to-side motions. We suggest using a medium horsehair brush. Be sure not to scrub the uppers with the brush, but note that Cordovan generally requires significantly more brushing than calfskin. Use a cotton chamois to apply a very small amount of Saphir Renovateur to the uppers. Use light pressure and circular motions to work the product into the uppers with the chamois. Be sure to alternate sections of the chamois cloth to avoid distributing dirt across the shoe. Allow the Renovateur to dry completely. This can take anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. Then, brush the uppers again with a horsehair brush to remove excess Renovateur from the surface of the Cordovan. Use a circular motion and moderate pressure to rub a smooth section of a deer bone on any significant creases, scuffs, or scratches. The natural oils from the deer bone allows the bone to glide smoothly across the leather without scratching. Be careful not to apply too much pressure. First, select a Cordovan cream polish that is closest to your shoe color. Then, use a clean chamois cloth or a dauber to gather a very small amount of polish. Apply the cream polish to the uppers in a circular motion using light to moderate pressure. Once the Cordovan polish is completely dried, buff the uppers with a horsehair brush using brisk side-to-side motions with moderate pressure. Choose a wax polish that is the same color as the previously selected cream polish. You can also use a neutral wax. Apply a thin layer of wax polish with the clean chamois in a circular motion using light to moderate pressure. You should concentrate the wax application on the hard countered portions of the shoe, the toe box, and the rear hind quarters. Do not apply wax polish to the areas of the shoe that bends, such as the band, since this will cause the wax to break and create a buildup of visible white wax. Allow the wax polish to dry completely. Once the wax is dried, brush the uppers using a horsehair brush, using brisk side-to-side motions with moderate pressure. Be sure to thoroughly brush any creases or folds in the uppers to prevent undesirable buildup of wax over time. Optional, you can brush the uppers again using a soft finishing brush, such as our Yak Hair Brush. Use brisk side-to-side motions with light pressure to bring up the level of the shine.